This 2019 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern 215BH front queen bed, DBL Bed Bunks is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 8, external shower, air conditioning, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern 215BH front queen bed, DBL Bed Bunks is 4,942 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.